Oh, y'all could have my money, like. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing some lashes that I purchased from Bomb Extensions on Instagram. But before we get into the video, you guys know I appreciate your support. You know, do what I always ask you guys to do and just share, like, comment, you know, the usual. But let's just get right into it. So you guys have heard me talk about sometimes when you're on Instagram and different things just show up on your explore page or like a little ad. Well, these showed up, and you guys know I love my expensive like mink lashes, but I won't pay more than a certain price for them. You guys know the company I'm referring to if you watch my videos. And these were actually pretty cheap. I believe they were like less than like $4 a piece. And I've been looking for a little bit more dramatic lash, especially like when I'm filming. It just looks natural on camera when I use my regular lashes. So I'm like, you know what? Let me branch out, try something different. I do believe they sent me an invoice. They did. So I paid $63.21 for everything. There were two separate lashes that I purchased. One was $5, one was $4.50. And then the kit that comes with like, I don't know, like 12, 15 lashes was like $50. Ooh, this is nice. And I've seen those little lash kits come up before, but typically what will happen is that they'll look, I don't know if you guys ever look at like the band for the lashes themselves, they can look a little bit unnatural and they can be like too long. So like I want them to be long, but I don't want them to be like, oh, this is really nice. Like, can you imagine getting lashes? And I'll try to maybe put a picture. Oh, there's a glare from my ring light. Oh, that's a little bit better. If you guys can really like get into them and like see how nice they really are. And I've ordered, sorry about the glare from my ring light. And I've ordered lashes before from like other companies, and then they come out and like, I'm not knocking anybody. Oh wait, there's a card. It fell. I'm not knocking anybody if that's your preference. You know, the whole really big lash thing is not like me, but I do think in some cases you need something that's going to be a little bit more dramatic. That's why I'm on camera. I just finished my makeup. I got to film other videos. You guys know how I do. Still got to figure out which wig I'm going to put on, but I'm like, since I'm going to be unpackaging some lashes, might as well pick one of the lashes and wear them to film the rest of my videos. So that's why we're here. So it gives you a card. It says Bomb Extensions. Thank you so much for your order. You are now a hashtag Bomb Girl certified. Please tag us in pictures. Bomb Extensions on Instagram for a chance to feature. And then they have their email address on here. And then we're gonna grab the other two. Now they didn't come in this kit specifically, but they sorry, one of these lashes, oh, I'm looking at it wrong. I thought they were mismatched. That's just me. These other lashes like kind of really stood out to me. And that's the reason why I chose to purchase them separately. Obviously, I'm a creature of habit. You guys know that if you're here on my channel. So this is their Elle. Sorry. But if you guys are here on my channel, then I kind of like lashes that look the same. And these just kind of look like the lashes that I was trying to mimic. And this is Ruby. So really nice. Really nice. I don't want to say there's like so much to choose from, but like I'll be honest with you guys, like this is really nice. Like the band on some of them are a little bit thicker, but they are the heavier lashes, so I don't really mind. And the other thing that I've seen sometimes with some of the lashes, like you can kind of tell that they're not like little hairs or not made to look like little hairs. These actually do look like little hairs. Like some of them look like fibers, like thread or like yarn or something. But this is nice. I don't know which lash to put on. right now, because like my makeup is giving me like old Hollywood glam, I think I'm leaning towards this one. It's not too dramatic, but it's dramatic enough. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go with that. I'm probably gonna have to cut it because my lash line is not that long. So I'm gonna grab my scissors. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. They're long. I was gonna say they're not that long, but they're long. I don't know who I'm trying to fool. This is the one for, I'm gonna go with my left eye, even though they kind of look the same. I'm just gonna cut off the little excess piece here on the end and then put them on, but I am excited. Like the last time I purchased like lashes, it was like a long time ago when I first started my channel. Like they a little crazy for your girl. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, like it's been a long time since I could look at like 3D lashes. I think these are 20, though it's a 3D lash book is what it's called. The others I picked up were 20mm, but it's been a long time since I've been able to pick up like a lash kit or lashes online, or even see it and think that it was going to be what I was getting. But I like it. I'm going to put their information down below, like their website, but $3.50, $4, $5 a lash, and they look this good. Really hard to come by, trust me. I have been looking. Do you guys see that? Like, lashes make a world of difference. I couldn't even tell you guys that years ago I didn't used to wear mascara, not even just lashes, but mascara. I didn't wear blush. Contour was like shock to me. Well, this is like a long time ago, because you guys know I'm old. Contour was like really shocking to me when I first did it. And now these are all things that I just can't live without. Oh, y'all could have my money. Like, they could really have my money. I mean, for the price that I would normally pay for like 2 or 3 lashes. Oh, I forgot to even tell you guys how many I got in here. See how carried away I am? 16 lashes. For the price of 1.5 lashes, almost, if they're on sale, 3 if they're on sale, maybe, I got 16 pairs of lashes. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go back. I'll be honest with you guys, because these, I mean, you guys can see for yourselves. These are nice. I gotta fix this. Oh yeah. Now they can have my money. We're gonna put this in the vanity, because we've got a separate drawer for lashes. Because you guys still know, like, when I moved everything out of my vlog room, yeah, there's 2 pairs of those expensive lashes that are in my walk-in closet in my bedroom. No idea where they're at. None. But I am in love. Come on, focus. Or it's just me that I can't see. But I'm in love with these lashes. Yeah, I honestly can't see myself going back and spending expensive money on those other lashes. If it's one thing that being on YouTube has taught me, I'm gonna put my wig on and film the rest of the video. I mean, it's no point now because I've already been hairless. But yeah, if it's one thing that being on YouTube and filming videos has taught me, it's just like, you just gotta give things a try. Like, normally, I don't want to say like I was a creature of habit. I am a creature of habit, not was. I am a creature of habit. YouTube has forced me to get out of my shell and try different things. And in doing so, I found some really great things that, 1, I never knew existed, 2, that I didn't know would work better for me, and 3, I'm saving money. Yeah, that's a win-win-win for me. So definitely gonna be buying from them again. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.